Hey you guys, I just got back from IKEA. Well, we're just on the car. Yeah. So this is just going to be a talk, like no playing or something. Oh my god, I just got out. So
Échale un poquito para atrás si quieres. Ahí.
it's just we got a lot of stuff from IKEA.
Let's go.
See the cardboard, and yeah, I have to move close to the front. And look how close I am. Ooh, I'm that close. It's hard. It feels uncomfortable, but I have to do it. So we just gone to the house, and JC was here, but I see him going through his car. So yeah, so this is just like a random video. Yeah, and that's it, I guess. I just wanted to say that because I didn't post a single video today. Also,
¿Dónde está?
¿Quién,
¿Está su carro?
huh?
¿Dónde está su carro?
Oh, por allá.
Allá va.
So guys, JC is just over there. And he's gone. I don't see him anymore. Oh my god, that's a lot of ocean. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh gee, that's bright. So, nothing really fun today. So, I guess that's it. I don't know. Well, either way, I just wanted to say that, and that's some bright light. I don't even know where it's coming from. Hello, pretty. Oh, ahí está.
Aquí.
Dre, I'm making the video. Dang it. He didn't hear me.
¿Hacemos donitas aquí?
Huh? Estoy haciendo un video. So, yeah. I guess that's it for today. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, and I hope you like my new intro and outro. I worked on it. So, bye.